Hi, my name is Lashin, and in today's video we are going to do the unboxing of MISFUN M13 Bluetooth earbuds. In my last video you might have seen me doing the unboxing for Lead V8 TWS dynamic earbuds, and ever since I have been using it as my daily drive. When I was doing the unboxing for this product, I didn't have any similar product like this one to do the comparison between them and give you a better review. But since I have now, I will be doing a comparison video of both of these. So in order to not miss those, do subscribe and stay tuned. So this product was sent to me by MISFUN official store from ALIEXPRESS, and they were very generous to sponsor this video with a sample product. So let's put this thing apart and let's see what's on the package. So the package comes in a very protective seal to protect it from any water damage, and as you can see the package is very well designed and it shows the earbuds are transparent. So on the side you have few specifications, details like waterproof, it has a bigger battery, micro assistant supported, and you have Android and iOS compatibility. On the back side you know how to a small picture representation of how it works and what's inside the box and how is the interface. So this thing has a touch interface and also has a top transparent layer so that you can see the components, and this is what I like. Instead of having it completely black or some other color, they have really challenged, they have pushed it forward to do the touch sensitivity with a transparent plastic. And without any delay, let's just cut into the box and see how it looks. Or does it really is as transparent earbuds as they claim to be? So once we remove the first layer, it's a bit more clear, the text and everything. So in the beginning I had few difficulties reading it properly since my camera lighting was messing up with the glare found by the plastic layer. So now it is a bit more clear and details are as I said before. So let's open the box. So the box is very strong, it's not like flimsy or very poorly packed like the previous one, like the Lead. They have really went through and they have made it completely premium. So the packaging, the unboxing itself gives you the surety how well this product is built and how fundamentally they have decided to design this. So I am struggling a lot to get this thing open, but I hope I achieve it. After a few minutes of struggle, I somehow opened it 20% and somehow managed to not crush the box. So as soon as you open, you can see the device, the box greets you with the device packed in a polythene or plastic pouch. So it is heavy, it is a bit heavy since this also works as a power bank, and I will get into that later. So let's see what's inside the box. So if I remove the first layer, I can see a USB charging cable and extra earbuds of two different sizes. One is pre-installed, that should be medium, and here is the charging cable which is small and short. You don't need a big cable for a small earbuds. So it's a micro USB to USB A, which is same as any Android cable, which should be easier to find. And you have some kind of certification logo, I'm not sure, but here you have the user manual. In one side it is completely English, which is very easy to get along, and the other side is their native language. I think it is written in Chinese. So in this it says how to work and how it works and how to turn on and all those stuff. So in my last video, as I said before, this thing doesn't have any charging capacity, like you can only charge your device, the earbuds, but you can't charge your phone. But this has the ability to charge your phone. Of course it can't charge your phone completely, but it will give you that little juice when you are really in need. So let's see. So as soon as you open it, you can see the the lid is a translucent, which means you can see through when it is closed. So you can see my finger through the lid, and when it is completely closed, it is like you might think it is not even transparent or translucent. So as you can see, the earbuds are transparent, as I said before, and it is bit in a blackish tint, so that it blends with your ear or skin. So I'm very impressed with the design, as I can see the components inside, and they have put a small tape to prevent it from overcharging. Of course, this thing was traveling in for around 3 months, so 3 months continuous charging might cause some issues, but to prevent it, they have taken preventive measures. So there is another one in this as well, so let's peel that off. So right now these things are not powered, so basically when it is connected to the case, it starts charging. As you can see, those two red lights means they are charging, and you can see them without even opening the box, and that is something, a very stealthy looking thing. I kind it as it's awesome because it is not disturbing you. Even if in a dark room, you don't get to have the disturbance of those lights glowing at your face. It's going to be very subtle, very minimalistic and good looking. So once you remove it from the case, it starts blue, which means it is trying to pair with a device, or if it is previously paired, it should get connected within a second or two. So when it is back on the box, it stops pairing and it gets back to the charging mode. So let's put that and let it charge for a while. So that's it for the quick unboxing. So this video was sponsored by MISFUN official store from ALIEXPRESS, and I just would like to show you guys how their webpage looks like. So as you can see, they have few offers and they are highlighting products. So currently they are mainly focusing on medical products, like to prevent the COVID-19, as we all are going through a tough time, which is an historical moment. So as you scroll down, they have few of their most premium products or premium lineups, so you can go through them and see what you like. And especially this seller is the official seller for MISFUN products, and he's been very friendly and he is very kind enough to explain me the terms and conditions and how they work, and we had a great chat between how the things are happening now and how are things going to be in the future. So if you guys have any questions related to the product or compatibility issues, or how the product is, or how would you get it during this COVID-19 situation, I am pretty sure this seller is very well interested to help you guys out. So this is the product that I have been doing the review, or the one you just saw. So we'll just get into that page and see. So as you can see, this is the TWS headphones, and there are a few more details. So I would like to say something, that I ordered this product months ago, mostly like during December, maybe closer to Christmas or around January, because at the moment we were not very serious about COVID-19, or the awareness was very less. We know only 2 or 3 cases in China, and it wasn't a pandemic or epidemic as of now. So I can assure you that this thing didn't come after the issue. This was shipped to me before. So in this page you can see about the product and how their details and all those specifications, those I missed in my video. So you can see there is a better representation of how things works, and if you wish to know more, I have added the web page and website details in my video description. So if you guys would like to know something else, do go and check them out. and do follow the store for extra vouchers and discount coupons which you may can use for your first purchase from this store. And if you contact the seller, he might also even give you some ideas like which is better, and you can go with his opinion as he is the man who runs the show. And I'm very thankful to MISFUN official store from AliExpress, as they were very willing to help me out with a product sample review. And as you can see a few more specifications, as the earbuds works around for 6 hours and the battery capacity is around 1800 mAh, that is like a power bank kind of. And as you can see, every customer review is like 5-star. They just have only 5-star rating, and there are 44 reviews. It is very hard to get 44 reviews with 5-star rating. You know, one or the other people might go crazy and they might not like the product, but this is not the case. Everyone is satisfied, even myself. I'm not paid to say this, or I'm not forced to say this, but I'm saying this from my personal experience. I have been using this product for a week or two now, and I'm pretty happy with how this thing works compared to the Vanlead product. And this thing does have bass and all those effects. I'll be talking about more about this product in my next video, which will be a detailed explanation of how things work and how the interface and how you can use it up to a full potential. And also we'll be doing a pairing tutorial or a help video how you can pair it with your iOS devices. Of course, Android devices are easy to connect, but I would like to show how it works with iOS. So do check them out, as they are doing a great job. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and details. You can also follow me on Instagram and other social medias like Facebook. But if you want to know more about this product, or if you would like to know something from me, do leave a comment and I will be very happy to reply them as soon as possible. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.